These animals sound fake, but they're 100% real. Let's start easy. Which amphibian is known for its perpetual youthful appearance? Axolotl. Name the deep-sea shark with an unusual elongated snout. Goblin shark. Like the video if you got the first two right. Identify the smallest species of armadillo, notable for its pink shell. Pink fairy armadillo. What nocturnal lemur uses an elongated middle finger to find food? Don't forget to follow for more quizzes. Which rare bovine species found in Vietnam is also called the Asian unicorn? Shaola. What mammal is covered in protective keratin scales? Pangolin. Share this quiz with a friend to see you can get a higher score. Name the unusual furry insect discovered in Venezuela in 2009. Venezuelan poodle moth. Last question, don't forget to write your score in the comments. Which endangered flightless parrot is native to New Zealand? Kakapo.